Hello, this is Naveen with Conceptia Konnect. I work as an application engineer on SOLIDWORKS Simulation. So, in this quick video, let me show you how to set up a steady state thermal analysis using SOLIDWORKS FEA simulation. So, here we have an assembly consisting of a base as well as the 4 chips mounted on top of the base. So, let me start with the new study thermal, and click OK. So now we have set up a initial study here, and I'll just right click properties, and it's a steady state analysis with automatic solver selection. Here you can see it's a steady state. Click OK. So once we have done with this, next is applying the materials. So I'll just select all the 4 chips, right click, apply the material. So here either I can go with the default materials or else I can go with my custom materials which I have created. Chip material, it has a thermal conductivity which is dependent on temperature. So go with the table circles. Here you have a thermal conductivity with respect to temperature. I'll apply, close. And for the base part, I'll just go with the aluminum alloy. Either I will go with the 6063 which has a thermal conductivity of 218. Apply, close. So now we have applied all the material. You can see the small check marks once you have applied the material for the components. And then I'll go with the heat power. It's a thermal load, and here I'll just select all the 4 chips, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and here you can see it's per item. I'll just take it as 0.2 watts and I'll click OK, and I'll select convection values. So I'll just go with the select all exposed phases. So software will automatically select all the phases which are exposed, and I'll take a convection coefficient value as 25 with a bulk ambient as 300 Kelvin. Click OK. So the next step is meshing. So I'll go with the default mesh, the second order mesh, and I'll not change any of the values. I'll go with the default 0.7 mm, highest and the lowest. Click OK. So here you can see the quality of the mesh with the details. Here you can see the total number of elements as well as the maximum aspect ratio, which is 4.28, which is less than 5. So the quality of mesh is good, and I'll just run the study. So here you can see even the total number of elements, number of nodes, as well as the degrees of freedom in this. So once the study is run, you can see the total what is the peak temperature here. It's in terms of Kelvin. So I'll just change it into the Celsius, and also I'll go with the floating values. I'll click OK. So here you can see the peak temperature values is highest is 56.75 degrees. I'll just hide all the loads here, and here you can probe at different locations, and I can even hide the node and the location so that it displays only the values. So 3 different values, 3 or 4 different values I can just select, and then I can click on the graph. So it shows how the temperatures are varying between the 3 different nodes, and I'll click OK. Thanks for watching, guys.